You are at the right place. Where is that? LOL Boulevard, Laughter Avenue. Okay. I tell you, this priest had a parrot. Yes, the priest had a parrot. And every morning after the priest prayed, the parrot tweeted, "You're going to hell, you're going to hell." Every morning after the priest prayed, the parrot just keep tweeting, "You're going to hell, you're going to hell." The priest wondered, where did this parrot learn such words? So, what did he do? He packed up the little parrot and sent the parrot off to language school to learn a different language. That way, the parrot couldn't say things that he might have overheard him talking. So, the parrot went and stayed for a couple of weeks, and learned Espanol. Hola, ¿cómo estás? Bien, gracias. On the way back from parrot school, that's all the parrot kept saying. Bien, gracias. Hola, ¿cómo estás? The priest said, "Oh well, now I have uneducated English from the vocabulary of my little parrot. It won't tell me in the morning go to hell anymore after I've prayed." Okay, so the priest took the parrot home and put it in its little cage, The following morning, the priest got up to pray. He knelt down and he prayed. After he got up, the parrot tweeted, "You're going to hell, you're going to hell, you're going to hell." The priest got so mad. He got enraged. He said, "What?" So he took that little parrot and put it in his freezer. When the parrot got in the freezer, the parrot saw a turkey and the parrot saw a chicken. The parrot asked the turkey. The parrot said, "I know what I did to end up in here. I made the priest very annoyed. But you, turkey, and you, chicken, what did you do?"